Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book a reservation on the Sonder application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should click on the stays button down below and select a stay, find the Sonder. Here you can use the search bar at the top of the page and type in the name of your location. Tap on the relevant one. Click on an apartment or a stay. Tap on check availability down below. Select a room, tap on select dates. Here you can set the check-in and check-out date. Tap on select, click on the book button down below. Here you have the overview. You can add payment info including your card number, card details, and then you can tap on the pay button down below to finalize the process of making a reservation. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.